Hi team, just a quick email video to show you how to read your pay slip if you had any questions or you weren't sure. So what happens is you're going to receive a pay slip that comes directly from Xero every week into your email box. Now when you open it up, it should look like this, and up in the top right hand corner it has the information about the company that's paid you with our ABN number. Then it has your employment details. So you're going to be paid weekly. It'll calculate what your annual salary should be. It'll tell you what your employment basis is, full-time or casual, and what your classification is just here. Now you can reference that classification to your employment agreement so that you know what rates you should be getting paid. Next here it has the line that tells you what the pay period is. And we know that we pay from Wednesday to Tuesday, so that's what those dates would be. And with the payment date, which is the Wednesday, the next day. It also tells you here what your total earnings are for that week prior to tax, and then your net pay, which is what you should expect in your bank account. Next, you've got the pay rates that you get. So this is an example of a full-time employee. So they get their ordinary hours, their site allowance, and their travel allowance. It tells you the rates that you are getting paid for each of those categories and calculates what you're going to get this week for that category. The right-hand column over here just shows you as well what you've gotten year to date, and it's financial year, so from the 1st of July, what you've received for that category all the way down there. Now, the next section here has your tax in it, so how much we deduct for tax, and we send that off to the tax department. The next section has your superannuation, so how much we've added on there for superannuation at 10%, and we send that off to your nominated superannuation fund. And at the bottom here, if you're a full-time person, or if you've been banking RDO hours as a casual person, you're going to see your leave entitlements that have accrued here. So this is what has been accrued this week. This is what has been used this week if you claimed any RDO hours or annual leave hours or anything that you have, and this is the balance of what you have left. And then right down the bottom on an actual pay slip, you would see the person's bank details here that we've transferred the money to, and the actual amount that we've transferred the money, that we've transferred into your account. Now, noting that if you're a casual person, you'll see an extra line on the under salary and wages, which is your casual loading that you receive. So you won't have any leave entitlements accrued in a week, but you should have casual loading there because you get paid that additional loading instead of having the leave accrued. Okay, if anyone has any questions, please let me know.